This is my super old pizza peel. I haven't used it in years. Hey, it still works. Yay. You'll also notice that I've got both wood and gas going because I live dangerously. This is my first time doing that. Oh shit, the oven says it's at 1100 temp. The stone is 700. That's good. I like more heat on top. Yeah, it's ready to go. Okay, I might have it too warm in there, but I'm cool. And let's say 3, 2, 1, we're done. Oh wow, that's fun. And soft. Alright, let's do a close-up of the pizza. Balance of light here. Pretty nice. A little burnt. Underside looking good. Oh yeah, God, that feels good. Alright, the end. Well, let me get a better shot of this. Oh, my shadow.